चलें जी, आज की वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। हेयर ड्रायर है जी, इसकी ये दो इमेजेस है। हेयर ड्रायर है, 2 स्पीड लेवल्स हैं। वेस्ट पॉइंट WF 6260 है। ₹4500। मेक योर हेयर मोर शाइनी एंड स्मूथ। कॉम्पैक्ट साइज, अल्ट्रा मॉडर्न डिज़ाइन। नंबर 3 है कन्वीनियंट ऑपरेशन, एयर डिफ्यूज़र। Number 4, strong power heat dryer, 2 speed levels, safety cutoff, removable air filter, 1500 watts, 220 to 240 watts voltage. Add to chart, buy on WhatsApp. Description है smooth and shiny hairs with WF 6260 West Point hair dryer. Make your hair more shiny and smooth. Compact size, ultra modern design, convenient operation, air diffuser, strong power heat dryer, 2 speed levels, safety cutoff, removable air filter, 1500 watt, 220 to 220 voltage. Unique design with WF 6260 hair dryer machine. A powerful hair dryer with 1500 watts of power. The powerful airflow helps dry your hairs quicker, reducing time while traveling. Outstanding results. A West Point hair dryer will coat hair with moisture to control freeze and create a smooth, glossy style. In addition, with concentrator nozzle and the technology let you efficiently dry hair and hair brushes, making use of powerful airflow, resulting in shiny hairs that is healthy and shiny. The heat protection mode ensures and intense airflow with a mild temperature will protect the head and hair from damage caused by heat to create beautiful hair. Adjustable your setting to your desire. Customize your settings, and West Point WF 6260 hair dryer has 2 speed setting and safety cut off. Moreover, a hair dryer machine can be used for any hair type: fine, thin, thick, thin, curly, thin curly, wavy or curly. It is easy to hold and comfortable. Lightweight, powerful hair dryer machine suitable for men, women or even kids. It make a beautiful gift to women and girls or anyone. The hair dryer is utilized to style hair with warmth of the air or fulfill and drying function with the help of an air diffuser. You can help tailor the use of the appliance to suit your specific needs. Don't forget to share this post. Retail store, contact us, connect on social media. This is brand West Point Appliances. Are you on the hunt for quick Quality kitchen appliances that will not break the bank. Look no further than West Point appliances with a wide range of product and features to choose from. West Point has become a household name of those who want reliable and affordable appliances.